Hey guys, my name is Rayon and I'm 9 years old. It's me, guys. So today we should make a snowman because it's so snowy and it's minus 17. I brought my gloves, I brought everything, so let's do this. I'm gonna set my camera right here. So, hey guys, can you see me? Yes, you can. So, yeah, I was born in 2016, and my age is, I'm 9. At this young age, I'm doing a YouTube. This is my first YouTube video. I made a little ball, so now I'm gonna make a big one. So I'm gonna take a carrot. Then I'm gonna introduce you to my mom. When my dad comes, I'm gonna introduce you to my dad too. Yeah, this muddy part we have to take out because that will be not a good part to make a snowman. Everybody, you make sure like and subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos. This is my fish room. Oh, look how big it is already. It's already so big. I'm making a big snowman, guys. Yeah, guys, we got this. Make sure you have a lot of fun because you should stay tuned. Look, if you have a little brother, I have a little brother. I have 2 little brothers. One is 5, one is 6 months old. And they're so cute. I will introduce them when I'm done making this snowman. And so, guys, you should subscribe. Guys, watch. Do you see? I'm making a big snowman. I'm making a big snowman. Guys, you should come to Canada if you're not in Canada. Because it always snows for 6 months. And this is one of the goodest countries ever and the safest. I forgot to say that. Yeah. I made one, now another one for a little smaller, but similar. Not like too small like this. A little smaller, just like that. They could take me. It's already being big. Guys, look at this big snowman. I'm gonna bring carrots and a hat. And I play Fortnite too. If you wanna join me, I will give you something. We might win a game. Oh, I forgot to tell my name of my little cat, but I can't show her right now. So her name is, I don't have a cat. I'm just kidding. I will name you my brother. Ahil, Zohan, Noreen, and Asim. That's my family. Oh, it's so big. Oh, yeah, it's big. Oh, yeah. I'm going to make it more bigger. So, that's small. That's big. Now, this is the big one. I'm going to add this small one. Let's go here. It got in heavy, bro. Whoa. Now I gotta put this, make it flat like this, so I can put it. And I made it. Now I'm gonna put this. Okay. Good. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna add the snow with it, so it's like. Guys, how does it look? I'm gonna add a carrot, another one, so. Let's start building first. First, I'm gonna make this flat. Oh no! It's okay, guys. We can build it again. It's okay. So just a little piece. I will use this one, so don't reach. Guys, right here. Make it a little, add some here. Does this look like a snowman? I don't think so. So we gotta add some more snow and make it flat like this. At my school, it was that good. We played soccer with my best friend Bassam. Tell guys who plays Fortnite. Tell me in the comments, okay? Because Fortnite is fun. Yeah, boys. Cool, guys. And stay tuned, guys. On the next video, I'm gonna be walking to my school or driving in my car to dinner place. No, not this wall. No, guys. Because it's okay. We can do this again. It's okay. It's okay. I can fix it, guys. Guys, if you're seeing this, please skip it to the end because you're seeing me suffer right now in the coldness. I love to do this so you can watch him, but this was a little fail, but we got it. And now we'll put this. Oh, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Another ball up there. And then I made a snowman. Snowman. I love snowman. Now I need another ball. I'm gonna make another. little shoulder. This is fun. First, I gotta shape it because it's the top part should be round like an egg. An egg is not round. It's a whatever you call it. Almost done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, we made a snowman. Now I'm gonna get some branches for the. I will make them eyes right here and the one right here. I'm gonna get some carrots and decorate it. So I found some branches right here, so I'm gonna put them in there.